Are you ready for the ultimate Android tablet experience? Samsung's Galaxy Tab series is dominating the market, and we've got the scoop on the brand new Galaxy Tab S10. The Tab S10 series is arriving soon. Leaked renders reveal a sleek design. New keyboard cover with dedicated AI button. Book cover keyboard with touchpad. Slim book cover keyboard, no touchpad. Redesigned layout for enhanced productivity. 2 keyboard options. Fresh design language. AI button integration. Samsung's new AI button replaces the L key and shifts the Alt key next to the spacebar. What does it do? September 26th launch in Vietnam. Pre-registrations open in India. Coming soon to more countries. Samsung introduces a new AI button, replacing the L key and rearranges the Alt key. The Dex key remains in the upper right corner. Instant access to Galaxy AI tools for enhanced Dex mode multitasking and smooth experience. Up to 16 GB RAM, more than some laptops. 1 TB storage capacity, store all your favorite games, movies, and more. Perfect for gaming, entertainment, and productivity. Slick notch and slim bezels for an immersive experience. Binge watch your favorite shows or dive into serious gaming. 11,200 mAh battery, bigger than iPad Pro. Work or play worry-free all day long. And here's something exciting, the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra comes packed with Wi-Fi 7, giving you blazing fast internet speeds. Imagine streaming, browsing, or gaming with no lags. Who wouldn't love that, right? Now let's talk design. The S10 Ultra and the S10 Plus are nearly identical twins, featuring sleek curved edges and a flat back that simply screams premium quality. You'll have 2 stunning color options, Moonstone Gray and Platinum Silver, both giving you that classy, high-end feel. But wait, there's more. Need extra storage? No problem. Both models come with a microSD card slot, so you can expand your storage without breaking the bank on higher-end variants. On top of that, the Galaxy Tab S10 Plus and Ultra will support 45W fast charging, which is perfect if you're always on the go. And yes, just like the Tab S9, these new models are S Pen compatible, a must-have feature for creatives and multitaskers alike. Now, let's dive into pricing. The entry-level Galaxy Tab S10 Plus with Wi-Fi, 12 GB of RAM, and 256 GB of storage is expected to start at around €1,119. If you want the 5G version, be ready to spend approximately €1,269 for the same storage. The Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra with Wi-Fi and the same RAM and storage configuration could cost about €1,339. For those of you looking for the top-tier option, 5G, 16 GB of RAM, and a massive 1 TB of storage, the price might hit around €1,699.